Another lesson, and today's lesson we'll be looking at the distance speed time relationship. So throughout physics and math, we can really easily say that the relationship between speed, distance, and time is really important, right? Especially when we're looking at things like kinematics, and your everyday math problem could include this relationship. So let's cover it. So let's start with the first one, which is speed is equivalent to distance over time. Right? This is one sort of first formula. Our second one, these are all derivations, right? Or derived from this one singular formula over here. So it's derived from this one, right? All these other ones. So our second one is distance is equal to speed times time, which is another formula. This is for distance, by the way. And the third one is time, for time. How long did it take? It's basically our distance over our speed. Kind of does make sense though, right? All of these formulas do make sense, right? If you look at time, right? How long was the distance and how fast were you going? You can find how long it took. And for distance, you're taking the speed and multiplying by the time, you kind of get the distance. And we're looking at speed, how fast you're going, so basically distance over how long it took you. So if we're looking at it that way, this relationship is pretty easy to understand. Now let's do a practice problem. Bob runs 900 meters, so 900 meters, in 30 seconds. What is his average speed? So firstly, that we already know, right? We already know from this that we're looking for speed. Right, we're looking for speed. Average speed. Same thing as speed for now. Right? So when we're looking at that case, we can write our givens out like in this format. For solving a physics problem or math problem, but let's do these questions in this format. So our given, right? Given our distance is equal to 900 meters, and our time is equal to 30 seconds. And now let's go back and see what formula we have to use. We know that speed is equal to distance over time. So let's first write my required here. My required is my time. We're using the grasp method right now to figure this out. Required is my time. And my assessment, we know that speed is equal to, as we know here, distance over time. Distance over my time. So my solution for this would be my speed is equal to 900 meters over 30 seconds. And we can use our calculator here and figure it out. So our final answer would be speed is equivalent. We can use these terms as meters in a second to figure it out. So for your calculator, we do 900 divided by 30. You can see it's 30. Right, so our speed is equal to 30 meters per second, our average speed. And you can write like a final solution for a word sentence, right? Our average speed, so my P, you can write my average speed average is equal to 30 meters per second. All right, so this is it. This is how you calculate average speed. Our required is not for time, but it's actually for speed. That's my fault, guys. Our required is speed. My bad. So anyways, have a good day, guys.